Welcome back everyone to a new video. Last video I sound like a pro to Mercury, but this video we are going to do something cool. Today I'm going to be making my own galaxy. Now most of you are like you cannot like make your own galaxy. Well, I'm gonna prove you wrong today, kind of. So like we will take a black hole. We're gonna increase its radius. Let's make it like 1 AU. So how about I want to be like a massive like one 300 AU. Like imagine how cool will like that be. Anyways, so if you see this, there's like this icon like this, right? If I go here, boom, see Milky Way, Andromeda, Large Magenta. You can like pick any galaxy. Ooh, this looks weird. Okay, so like there's so many like galaxies. You can build your own custom, but you have to like take something for like photos and all the door. But which gal I think I wish I had live chat so that you all can like pick which galaxy. Cool. A nebula would be sick, but it's reporting. Territorius dwarf. How about NGC? This actually looks sick. I don't like the accretion disk, uh, but like, give me a sec, guys. Okay. Alright, so sorry about that. Anyways, so if I go to switch accretion to style, for some reason okay. So we can like do this. Now let's increase the brightness for some reason. Apply. We don't worry. It's just a glitch, but if I go to brightness, I want like let's like make it a little detail like this. But if we go to size, don't want to be like so big we cannot see the black hole. Something like this, but imagine how cool would that look. Apply. Damn, guys. Well, okay. Then we're gonna like go to like jets, relative jets. You like saw this in our last. Wait, this looks like a galaxy, but instead it's like we can go. I want to like just be white. However, length will be extremely weird. How about like this? You can still see the black hole technically. I want to like name it something funny. I have an idea. The name will be so cool. You will you will name a country that funny. I mean, it's a little bit weird, but still, like, what's up? I don't know how big is this. So like, I it's like so like 300 light years it stretches. Probably 600 basically. Basically, this looks so cool. It looks like let's actually reduce the accretion this size. I mean, it looks cool, but it isn't. But okay, this was big, but okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some stars to orbit it. However, if you like put it extremely far away, it gets a little bit funny. Something weird happens. Okay, so like this is the black hole. Let's like the just position. Let's like make a okay. You know what star? A red supergiant? That would be cool, but man, maybe just a ordinary star, like a star with 10 times the mass of sun. So you see, this glitch happens where like instead of like being like to circling a black hole, it like just does this, but it'll still be orbit. Let me show you. See the curves. It still happens. So whenever you're like building something like this and like this thing happens, ignore it. It's ooh, I like the animation a lot though. Ooh, do you want to give it some planets? If I like go to planet, I think maybe because it has like so much mass, it'll be like hard. Yeah, something like this. So like It's okay if we like don't. So like now let's like put a. This is like the our closest star. Let's like put a red supergiant. Red supergiant. Again, this thing will happen, but it'll still be in orbit. Okay. We should like make a solar system near it that has some life. Like if like right over here. Wait, actually, I want to like change something. It's still. Can we like because like in the milk. I want like Milky Way. For some reason, Milky Way looks a little bit better. So like, okay, here's a black hole. So like, let's like go like here. Red, no red supergiant. I like red dwarfs because they can like live for like such a time. Again, this glitch happens. It's like I always like instead of like hot life, I always like cold life because like cold life is like pretty cool. My favorite thing is cold anyway. So if I adjust position, I think it's like close enough that yeah, launch. Okay. Ooh, you got it's so even though you like how far you are, like it's so far that like 35 light years, you could like still see the jet. They're this big, damn. Okay, here's our planet. I want to like make our like old planet, so like cancel. So what's our radius? We this is very unrealistic. How about we like make it nearly like this? And let's give it like a cool texture. Mountainous? It doesn't look that bad. However, it looks a little bit boring. So let's give it a atmosphere. We go here, it'll get the atmosphere. We go like clouds, like this. It's negative. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold. Let's like adjust position. Let's make it a little bit closer. Something like this. Negative 49 degrees Celsius. I read like a textbook that like scientists discover microbes that can like live at negative like negative like 96 degrees Celsius. So maybe life will come. And saying I want you know what, let's just make it here. Or maybe here. I like cold life better. It's just in my opinion. And like we should like give it some water. It's like but in this temperature the water like freeze. So like it'll like not be that realistic. But most likely like glacial life can like happen instead. Bro, what? Anyways, so something like this, transparent. No, that's weird. Water level. It's like it looks. We could like just imagine like I think we could like imagine like there's like underground oceans and like life start to develop. And like let's like give this thing a mood. No, what? No, I read orbit helper. Oh, adjust position. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Let's like really. What the heck? Okay, like this. We should like give it like something cool to it. Mountainous, volcanic. What? Vol volcanic looks cool. Mountainous we cannot copy. And how would we do Mercury? Like Mercury's like pretty small. Okay, this is going so good. Okay, how far are we? Like probably like almost like not even like a barely a AU, like 0.17 AU. What? I mean, it's still like mad big. You can like fit Sagittarius A. It's like the closest. It's the closest supermassive black hole to us technically. Okay, I want to like see what's the rotation like. Even like rotation sometimes by 16 days. You know what? Let's just reduce it. I want it to be 20. let's make it 24, like 24.1. This is okay. And like, that's like land right over here. Ooh, okay, this looks sick. Okay, peep. What? It's already day. We go like, I don't. Where are the clouds? Oh, there. You get on like, is it in the ocean? Yeah, it looks like it's in. So we go like lie here, and we can like look over the. Ooh, wait, there's something I want to. Oh, yo, check that out. So we switch on the left. You can like see like the beam, but also this thing, but also like the red dwarfs. Red dwarfs live the. If you do you know a fun fact like about red dwarfs? They can like live. They're like the most common stars, and they for like a long time. So like I want to do something. I want to go at the edge, like probably here. But we are going to put neutron star. Yes, neutron star. We could like give it like a neutron star. It has like planets orbiting. Okay, watch. This neutron, you could see what? Wait, imagine how cool it would be. Cancel. Oh, imagine how cool it would be if you like put a half little planet like near. Wait. No. It's a neutron star again. What? Okay. If we go to planet, orbit helper. What? No, we want. It's so even though its luminosity is dim, like this much. Hmm. How about we like give it a? I don't want to like create another planet, but however, if I go to neutron star, yes, yo. I want to like control like the jets, main jet. Die length. I want to like make it long. Whoa. They look extremely cool. Neutron stars are like the second densest object in the universe. Like, whoa, bro. How much AU? It's still less than a AU, but still, but so relative to a neutron star, that's a lot. Now, I think we could like create like kind of like a, I think of an idea. If I go to this thing, Brown Dwarfs, orbit helper, basically the same. The orbital, look at the orbital period. Why is it saying brown dwarf 10? So like this is a brown dwarf, ignore. How about we could like give this brown dwarf like some moons? Basically just planets. Orbit helper. Like it's like somehow it's like bright enough to like light up planets. I mean like moons, but okay, launch. We could like put one. I think I'll like rip it off, but we could like just put one here. Crazy system we have. We could like put one here. Will it like still like adjust to the orbits and like something like this? I wish we could like give it rings. Imagine of like how cool it will look if it have rings. But mm, I'm I'm getting like a feeling where we could like make a protoplanetary disk. You know, before I end the video, I don't know how many minutes it has been, but we should like put a protoplanetary disk. I think I know of like first. Let's like just put a another red dwarf. Earth like something like this. Okay, launch. But however, it's gonna be different because like if I like go here, select planet, I have to reduce its okay launch. So like I have an idea. I forgot. So like here's my idea of like how we could like create a planetary a protoplanetary disk. So like you're like, why am I putting like a bunch of planets? Well, I will explain. Particle ball. Yeah, now do you, I think now you will like understand. Particle ball. Particle ball. Now like because like I changed them into like a part just a very boring particle ball. I just no we no not this much. But let's make it a particle ball. Particle ball. So like let me click on the yeah, let's like speed up time. Look. Yeah, you see like this is so you see the particles will like spread out. If I like speed up time, it like kind of like for April. Actually, I want to like put one right over here. It's like the planet will be ginormous, but with very less density. Particle ball follow. But however, sometimes like the bottom of it will like since like the top looks so. This looks like a particle. This looks like a. It's not like I mean, you can like comment down below of like what else you think if there's like a better method of like actually like putting like this. Ooh, this looks sick. Ooh, could like see kind of like glow. I want to like do one last adjust position. Can like make it here. Launch particle ball. It doesn't. It has like detail, like a lot of detail. I mean, like technically, you could like use it to like make rings if you like. Like if I go to settings, change physics settings, right over here it said that rush a little bit on. So if you like want to like simulate of like of like what will happen if an object's like near in the planet's rush a little bit, you can like make it where like where any such a rush a little bit and you press sparkle balls, this will happen. Okay, I think this is like a good area to like the end the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.